What were coroners' inquests? Have you ever wondered how communities in medieval England dealt with sudden or suspicious deaths? One of the key methods was through coroners' inquests. These formal investigations were essential in determining the cause and circumstances surrounding unexplained deaths. Coroners' inquests originated in medieval England and were conducted by officials known as coroners. These individuals were appointed by the Crown and held significant authority in legal matters. The inquests took place at the location of the death, ensuring that the community was involved in the process. During an inquest, the coroner examined the body alongside a jury made up of local men. This practice not only ensured accountability but also allowed the community to participate in the justice process. The findings from these inquests could lead to various outcomes, including criminal charges or fines. Coroners did not only investigate deaths, they also looked into treasure troves, shipwrecks, and fires. This broader role reflected their importance as revenue agents for the Crown. Their findings could influence property seizures and other legal matters. From an archaeological standpoint, inquest records provide a wealth of information about medieval life. These documents reveal societal norms, legal practices, and even mortality patterns. For instance, coroners documented deaths caused by accidents, violence, or suicide. The details included information about the deceased, witnesses, and local communities. By studying these records, archaeologists can reconstruct daily life and social hierarchies in medieval settlements. They can also analyze burial practices and injury patterns. For example, descriptions of wounds or weapon types found in inquest records can be compared with physical evidence from grave sites or artifacts. One interesting term related to coroners' inquests is murdrum. This was a fine imposed on communities for undiscovered deaths. It later evolved into the modern concept of murder, highlighting the Crown's control over local governance. Another term is filo di southeast, which refers to suicide. In such cases, the deceased property would be forfeited to the Crown, showing the intersection of law and economics during that time. By examining inquest documents alongside archaeological findings, researchers can gain a clearer picture of medieval societies. They can better understand how these communities managed death and justice. This interdisciplinary approach helps clarify the cultural significance of death rituals and the legal enforcement of societal norms. So, the next time you think about medieval court systems, remember the role of coroners' inquests. They were not just about investigating deaths. They were a window into the legal and social fabric of medieval life.